What's good, guys? Yo. What's good, guys? Oh my days. Okay, hello, guys. Hello, hello, hello. Okay, testing, 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 testing. Okay, hello, guys. Hello, hello, hello. Okay, testing, 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 testing. Let me just test something real quick. There are literally no other sell side liquidities other than here, here, and here. Okay, hello, guys. Let me just test for a while first. There are literally no other sell side liquidities other than here, here, and here. Okay, hello, guys. Let me just test. Okay, wait. Let me just pause that real quick. Alright, so I entered a trade a while ago, and the reason why I haven't been live streaming for many days is because I was in Malaysia for a short staycation, and now I actually have my basically I restarted my account. I basically took out $150 and then I have a remaining balance of 100, and I transferred that into a new live account. So now I'm tracking every single trade. You can already see right here that this was on a Monday. So Monday and then Tuesday and then this trade on the 17th is technically was held overnight. So I'm using TradeZella. It's actually super good at tracking. Although the subscription is like $40 a month, technically I already made that, but yeah, my net profit and loss is 170, so I'm at like 270 right now. So I'm currently in the trade. I'm like about $50 up. Basically this was the Asian high and also a liquidity sweep right here. Hopefully price can push back down to this sell side liquidity, to this liquidity zone right here. So because I already checked, even on a 4-hour, 1 hour, 30-minute, 15-minute, 5-minute, the liquidity is right. There's one liquidity zone right here which price did push and reject strongly against, but you can see a very huge rejection here. Price is going to push back down further, and plus liquidity sweeps on lower time frames are really very very weak as well, so there's no point. It will just move the market a little bit, but not to the point where it would change and reverse on me. So these trades that I've been taking, they were okay, I don't know why they don't show the lot sizes, but let's just see. Okay, they did show the like how much I win, but didn't really see the lot size. Yeah, so can't really see anything here. Did I not lose? I'm pretty sure I did lose some trades. Did I not lose trades? I think I lost some trades if I'm not wrong. Oh, I didn't lose any trades. Wait. No, wait, I did. Wait, what the hell? What the hell is happening to my TradeZella, bro? Oh, I put this. Okay. No wonder. There we go. Okay, yeah. These 4 trades that I lost, they were very shitty trades. So thank God I didn't overtrade. But I still got in profit lah. Got like a 37, about a $50 profit, which is right there. I like how I'm more interested in these, like the weeks and everything, like what, like each day how much I made, how many trades I did. I don't really care about this win rate shit. Like honestly, I feel like it's super useless because I know I can track it myself. But the thing is that when I actually use a free tracker called my FX book, but the thing is that it updates like when, let's say I trade on Monday, and then probably by Tuesday or Wednesday then it will update, which that's not what I am looking at. I want like instant tracking, so at least I know. But yeah, so this was Monday we took a tiny loss. I want to see this as well. This is actually quite good. For today, which is Wednesday, I am technically in a profit zone. So far we have green days. We have a few green days. Okay, so basically I'll just tell you guys. Basically, all these trades that I won and lost, I was using a lot size of 4, which by the way for S&P 500 that is really small. But of course it's still good. It's just that if the thing is that let's say, okay, from what I've learned is that actually in S&P 500 it is let's say I'm using a lot size of 1, which okay, previously I actually calculated this. you can see that the pips here is actually like right now my take profit is like 34.67. Previously my old bonus account, I when I won that $400, it was at 40 point something like that, but let's just say 40. But technically we can kind of say it's 40 pips, so 40 times 10, that's 400. So basically every lot size, okay, I don't know how they calculate it, but basically when they go up, when this number, this like, okay, this 816, right, if it goes up to 817, that's 1 pip, so that's $10 for me right there. So when it reaches 40 pips, which basically if from 815, if it goes to 775, which is but minus 40 right here, which is actually about here. 775 is like down here. Yeah, 775 is down here. So, but if let's say I was using a lot size of 10, I actually hit this 775, I will gain like $500. So today I'm not looking to make like 200 or more. I'm just looking to get my definitely at least 10 times of what I made yesterday. Last night on a Tuesday, I made a trade about here, and then I stopped the trade somewhere around there, to the point where I only had a net PNL of $10, which is like I was using a lot size of 4, so it's like 3 pips about there. Okay, we're actually running quite good here. We should be at about $100 up, if I'm not wrong. Where is my phone? My phone is right there. Okay, we should be at about $100 up. Yeah, 88 about there. I already put my take profit to $169, basically just exactly at this point right here. And I'm really not looking for anything big. If I see any rejections or anything, I'm just gonna straight away close. Right now, because it swept a high and also it swept the Asian high, I'm pretty sure that price will actually pull back down quite a lot. It's not gonna be a reversal, if I'm not wrong, but it's definitely gonna go. Okay, like example, 15 minutes. Okay, you can see that price already reacted to this liquidity sweep right here, this low right here. Definitely reacted to it, pushed back up to the upside. Okay, it's pushing quite a lot. But it's probably gonna push it up back here, and then it's just gonna pump price back down again, because right now I don't need to worry a lot about fake outs, because right now my stop loss is minus $75. So basically I'm risking 75 to make about 170, 180 around there. So it's about like the risk to reward ratio is about there lah. So while I'm trading, I am going to get a good pump. It's been a while since I went to the gym, like the actual gym. I've been just training bodyweight exercises. Honestly, it's not even hitting at all. I really want to go to the gym, but today I guess I just have to flow with it first. Okay, $60 up. 67.5. Yeah, you can clearly see that price did react to this low right here, but in S&P 500 there's not really a lot of 1 minute, 5 minute scalpers. There's a lot of 15 to 4 hour 15 minutes to 4 hour trading orders. So the market doesn't have the power to push price back up, because there's not a lot of sell orders here. so there's really no point. But it's still going to push it back up, just that there's going to be long wicks like these. You can clearly see that price push all the way up, and then suddenly boom, back down again, and it's going to go up, probably to this high, or this high, it's going to push back down again. That's why I don't really like to see like 15 minute time frames and below. I want to see my trades from 1 hour. That's how I know that like I'm not like a 1 minute 5 minute scalper, but technically in a way I actually am scalping, but I'm scalping for like hours. It's not okay. Basically, I'm just a normal day trader. I hold for like a few hours, and then after that I just close. Because each candle right here is 1 hour. So starting from this morning at like 7 a.m. See, it just push price all the way back up, reverse. I really hope it's just gonna reverse out down to this Asian low. I could easily earn myself $200. Hopefully we can get that win. Let's get our workout in. Let's go. My AC is still broken, so it's fucking hot in here, man. Yep, see, push price back down, all the way there again. Yep, all the way, keep going. New York session has started, and it's gonna be a roll. Ooh. Could be making $230 right there, bro. If I use a lot size for like 10, could have been absolutely crazy. We're $116 up. I know that price just gonna push back down. You see, blown past this low, and now in the 15-minute time frame, it's just a all the way run down back down here. So even if you are a person that is aware of 5 minute or 1 minute liquidity sweeps, it's still gonna break through, because we swept an Asian high and a liquidity high. So there's a lot of buy orders here, and then now price is gonna sweep back down. We're gonna look for reversals. So honestly, the thing I don't really like understand is, okay, basically I was learning from TJR. So he said there's a lot of buy orders. There's buy orders above highs, sell orders below lows, which I'm kind of like thinking like, how does that make sense? Like, why would someone want to buy at the peak? They should be selling like what I'm doing right now. But I mean, it works lah. It's just that I really don't get it why there should be buyers here, and then when price reaches here, oh yay, we are break even, and then boom, shoots back down all the way down here. This would be my first TP. Honestly, I should have entered like 2 trades. I really should have entered 2 trades, because I feel like price can just really push all the way down here, or even down here. which that could make me $300. That is actually incredible. But I'm gonna keep to my word. I'm not really planning to make that much. This live stream is going to be a very short one today, I guess. Once when we hit TP, we are out with $170. Honestly, I hate putting TPs on MetaTrader 5, especially for this, because example, my TP right now, when my MetaTrader I added was 169.75 cents, $169.75. When it hits the TP, it actually takes my profit a little bit away. So like instead of $169, it maybe go to $167, which is bullshit. Like, bro, it's just my broker, honestly, but gotta use what I gotta use, man. There's no if only there are better brokers. I'm sure there are better brokers. Oh, price is pumping that shit down, man. Pumping, man. Pumping. Let's go lah. Okay, from Monday to Friday, honestly, I feel like it's been quite an okay trade. For Monday, I took a little bit of a loss. But I still made 90, here 90, Tuesday I also made a 90, but let's see how much I can make today. Okay, we are 140 up right now. I'm gonna close exactly when it touches technically this one is supposed to be at 6792. Okay, if it reaches 6792 and I am out, bro, I'm out. Okay, $150 up. Honestly, I'm trying to be as disciplined as possible. Like, seriously, man. Okay, I'll try to stop the trade as close as to the TP as possible. When it reaches this part, 6793.18. it's gonna like push back up. Like, remember this? Well, there's actually a 15-minute low right here. Might stop there, but nah. Let's see, there's a 5-minute low right here. Rejected off that low. Even if you go to the 1 minute, it's a low right here, so swap that. Yeah, sweeping out all the lows, but okay, I'm quite close. Okay, we gotta keep pumping. If we want price to pump, then we gotta get a pump. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm gonna go get my water real quick. Okay. Oh, guys, we're almost at TP. We're almost at TP. So close, so close. Okay, wait. We're gonna let it like right until here. Okay, close. Okay, I close it. We have closed our trade. $180 profit today. That is madness, man. Madness. Oh, that's actually crazy, bro. That's actually crazy. That's crazy, dog. That's crazy. Okay, it'll probably take a while for the thing to refresh. Ooh. Net PNL of 351, baby. Let's go. Oh, that feels amazing. Oh my god, and it's a sniper exit and a sniper entry. This is why I am going to be profitable, because I am more disciplined now. Oh my god. Thank you, Lord. Oh my days. That is some crazy shit. Whew, that is a nice trade, bro. Amazing trade. Let's freaking go. Our new balance is at 451. Actually, you could have seen it on the trades. What am I doing? 451. Where is my it doesn't really show my initial deposit, which was a transfer of $100, but whatever. Let's freaking go, bro. And in a total of 10 trades, so average each trade I earn is at least $35, which is actually insane, not gonna lie. I have no drawdown data. Wow, that's how you know I'm cracked, bro. That's actually crazy. Oh yeah, actually you can see I started from 100 and build up. Pew! Shit, that's crazy, man. That's actually crazy, man. I'm so proud of myself. Oh, that's actually a sniper entry though, not gonna lie. Okay, I'm not gonna trade anymore. Even though if this swipes Asian low and then goes back up, I'm not trading. I'm not showing you this shit. Oh, but I'm gonna keep the drawings here so that at least the next day when I wake up, we can see what we could have done. Usually, when I succeed in one trade, last time I used to keep going, but now when I succeed, I'm just gonna take the the win and just go. But putting all these all these drawings for tomorrow, it helps me to see clearer. Like, okay, if let's say I get to another position, something like this, at least I can know what I can do, because price right now in the hour 1 hour is kind of building back up again. So it's making its higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and then now because of the liquidity sweep of the previous higher high, it's pushing price back down to make to give the market an opportunity to make a higher low, which then just nice wicks this, and if I put another position, it's probably gonna go all the way back up here, and then wick that out, push price back down to wherever there was a low here lah. So that's what I'm kind of seeing right now. But let's just draw this shit out so that, like, right now, the price is gonna go up, tap into this, go into somewhere here, you never know. So I can't believe I actually exited that perfectly. Oh my god, I'm very very happy, very very happy. Okay, nice. So that was honestly, that was a very very fast live stream, but that trade that I was holding was since like since yeah, it was probably 6 p.m. like that. That's actually crazy. A 4-hour long trade. Oh, amazing. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching this live stream, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully we can get another win. Let's go.